So hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to write in an Excel file using Apache POI, which is a library of Java. So over here I'm using Java 11, and if you haven't checked or watched my previous video, go first of all watch them so you have a better understanding of what is going on here. The videos links are in the description box. So how this is going to work is that first of all it is going to create a new Excel file, and then it is going to do is write on that file, and after that it is going to save the file. So what over for say, creating a new Excel file, what I'm going to write is I'm going to create a method. For creating method, what I'm going to write is write public and the name of the Java class in which I'm writing this file, and let me name it create new Excel file, and inside it I'm going to use try catch because we are dealing with files. And inside try, what I'm going to do is write this dot excel file path equals, I'm going to take a file path over where it is the user want to create the file, and I'm going to set it to the file path, means the Excel file path, which is this class variable. After that I'm going to write workbook equal new XSF workbook, and then after try catch I'm going to write return this. So this method is as simple as that. What we are doing is getting the file path over where we are going to create a file and setting it to the variable Excel file path, and after that we are creating the Excel file. Okay. So now I'm going to write the method which is going to do is it is going to save and close the file. Okay, after writing we are going to save and close the file. So this method is going to save the file and close the file. Okay, so I am going to write public void, let me name this file save and close the file. Okay, file. So over here I am going to use try catch because we are dealing with file. And inside the try, what I'm going to do is write file output stream. It is a type of, and let me name the variable out equals new file output stream. So it is a variable. Okay, and inside over here I'm going to write the file path in which we are going to do it. Then after that I'm going to write workbook dot write, and inside here I'm going to write out, and then let me write out dot out dot close. So over here what we are doing is just creating a variable and setting the file path to it, and after that we are going to save the file and then close the file. Out is like a file. Okay, and after that let me just print your Excel file is written. Okay, let me print your Excel file and okay. Then after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the main method which is going to write the file. So how it is going to work, let me just write it. I'm going to write public void, and let me name this method write in Excel, write full Excel. Let me name it. Write full Excel. Okay. Wait. Yes. And over here, what I'm going to do is create the file. Okay. What I'm going to do is create the sheet. Sorry, not create the file. Create the sheet. So for creating sheet, I'm going to write sheet equal workbook dot create sheet, and it is going to take the sheet name. We can leave it empty, but let me give the sheet name. So I'm going to take a string type, string, and let me name it sheet name. Wait, okay, let me add it. So it is going to take, now we are going to take the sheet name from the user and add it over here. And now I'm going to write set, and inside here I'm going to write string equal key set e so let oh sorry, I just write equal over here. Key set equal data dot key set. Okay, so we are going to take the data from user which we are going to print, means write in the Excel file. So it is a type of map, and inside map we are going to write string and object. Okay, and its name is going to be data, and I need to import the class, so it's done. That's okay for now. Then after that I'm going to write int row number. Okay, let me write row number equals 0, and I'm going to write a for loop. Let me write for string key in key set. Okay, so if there is any key in key set, we are going to do is write, we are going to create a row type variable which is sheet dot create row, and inside we are going to write row number plus plus. Okay, then after that I'm going to write object object it is the object. Let me name it obj array arr equal data dot get, and inside here we are going to get the key, and after that I'm going to write int cell number, and we're going to initialize it with 0, and inside for loop I'm going to use another for loop and write object obj in objr array, and inside it I'm going to create a cell type variable. Let me name it cell equal row dot create cell, and inside over here we are going to write cell number plus plus, cell number plus plus, and I'm going to write an if else statement. If obj I isn't of string, if obj is string, then we are going to do is cell dot set cell, let me write set cell value, and inside over here I'm going to write in brackets string, and outside the bracket obj. Okay, and else 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 if obj instead of integer, if it is, sorry, if it is integer, wait, yes, if it is integer, then we are going to set an integer value. So we are going to write cell dot set cell value, and the string, sorry, the integer type of obj. Okay, so if you want to add like boolean and any other value, then you can add else if and use it. So in this method, what we are doing is first of all creating a sheet with the sheet name which is given by the user, and after that we are getting the data, means the object, means uh, means the value and the key. It is like a key object pair. So if let me, I am going to explain it after what it is. So we are getting the data. After that, what we are doing is creating a row number, and then creating a for loop. Inside for loop, what we are doing is just creating the row by adding row number, and over here I'm going to set the object of the this one, the map string object, this one in here, and after that we are getting the cell, and we are going to create the for loop, and then the same goes with cell. Let me go to the main method, and over here what I'm going to do is first of all we're going to create a map, because this is what we have to add. I'm going to create a map, and then which key is going to be of an object type, and the key is going to be of a string type, and the object is going to be, means the object means the value is going to be of an object type. Let me name it data equal new tree map. Okay, we are using tree map, and over here I am going to add string and object, and let me just import the map. So I'm going to hover and click import map, and I'm going to do is data dot put. So what it is, the put method is going to put some data. So the key is 1, means for the data the key is 1, and over here I'm going to write new object, and over here I'm going to write curly braces, and after write I'm going to write ID, and then the next value is going to be which ID, and the next value is going to be name, and the next value is going to be last name, LASTNAME, and the line 1 is done. So I'm going to just duplicate it, and for the second one the key is going to be second, and for the third one the key is going to be third, and for fourth one the key is going to be fourth. So first value for this one is going to be first value for this one is going to be 1, for second it is going to be 2, and for third it is going to be 3, means the ID. And then the name is going to be, let me name it Sahil, and the last name is going to be Kumar. And in the next one, let me name it Ayush and Prajapati. And the next name is going to be, let me name it Sanjay, and the last name is going to be Pandit. Okay, so this is done, means we have created a map. Let me explain you what is going on over here. We are going to create a map which is type of tree map. So what it does, this string is the key. So that means if I am going to give the key 1, so it is going to give me the object which is this value. Okay, so if I am going to print by getting key 1, it is going to print this ID. If you want to know more about it, I'm going to create a new video for it, so please comment me down. So what I'm going to do is, after that I'm going to create an instance of the Java class in which our methods are. I'm going to write Excel methods, and let me name the variable writing writing Excel, and it is going to be a new Excel method. And after that what I'm going to do is call writing method dot dot create new Excel file. So it is going to create the Excel file, and over here I'm going to give a file path which is of string time, which has been declared since the first video. So in file path, then after that I'm going to call dot write full Excel. So it is going to write, and inside I am going to give a string type of name. Let me name it name of people. Okay, and the second thing which they are going to take is the data. Let me give him the data, and then I'm going to do is write we are going to save the file. Okay, so this is done. Saving file don't need anything. Okay, so let me just run it. It's running. Let's see what is going on. As you can see, it is showing our Excel file is written. So I'm going to open the Excel file. As you can see, this is same as I have written over here. Let me just resize it so you can see properly. As you can see, the value is same. As you can see, the value is same as this one. So let me go through the full code again. So in our main class where I have written this, I think you okay. Let me explain for full. So first of all, we are doing is creating this file. So for creating file, what we are going to do is take the Excel file path and set it over here, and then we are going to create a new workbook, means the Excel file. Then for saving file, what we are doing is creating a file output stream, and then we are going to save the file, and then out that close we are going to close the window in the file. And in the rightful Excel, what we are doing is first of all creating the sheet with getting the name of the sheet from the people, and then what I am going to do is what I'm going to do is just get a object, means what we call it, a map of string, and setting it to a variable called key set. After that, we are going to create a variable integer number, row number, and then we are checking whether there is a key inside key set, which is the string part of the map. Okay, then it is running for loop. Inside here we are going to create row, and then we are just we have done for this, we are going to do same with the object of the map, and then we are going to create the cell, and same for the cell goes over here. And in the main class, what we are doing is first of all creating a map, which is means the key is of a string type and the value is of an object type. Okay, first of all we are going giving the key, and the key for the key 1 the value is this, and for the key 2 the value is this. Okay, to show that I'm not cheating, let me just name this sheet uh, new, and I'm going to save it and rerun it. So as you can see, it says I have it is done, and as you can see the sheet name is new, what I have given over here. So if you don't understand, I'm going to write 1 over here, new 1. Let me just close this Excel file again, and then let me just rerun it. And as you can see, it shows your Excel file is written. Let me just open it again, and as you can see, this time is new 1. So I hope you understand my video. If you love this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.